Hello. Today I introduce a new generation. This is a new generation is a revolution of the CNC proportional CNC press brake. So the technology is with the pump directly drive. We call it hybrid CNC press brake. The CNC press brake has a proportional wire with one tank, big tank. But here we use two tanks separately with stainless steel tank, and we can see in the behind there is a pump and servo motor to drive divided this we call it station. So this is why one station including the servo motor and pump and tank and the block, hydraulic block and direction wire. So this is the high quality cylinder. So this technology gave us very high speed bending speed, and also we save the energy saving. For example, there is no pipe. Here is no any pipe. We can see it's directly to connection with the cylinder. So it's active speed we can do is 200 millimeters per second. So this is gave the first high efficiency driving speed, bending speed. The secondly, the energy saving because no hot consumption of the energy. The third is we can make no leakage. So the service will be more and more easy. So this is a new trend of the bending technology. Hope to have our cooperation. Thank you.